Hello and welcome back to this channel. It's a continuation of our previous topic, which is fraction. Essentially, it's going to be the conversion of fraction. We have a lot of examples there which we are going to treat in this video. That way you will be comfortable converting mixed fraction. So watch this video to the end. Hello and welcome back. And as we said, we'll be treating the conversion of mixed fraction. Now we already treated proper fraction, improper fraction, and we said there are three usually common types of fraction, and the last one is the mixed fraction. Now you cannot work with the mixed fraction directly. You have to convert it to either a proper fraction or an improper fraction. So that's the topic for today, and we have examples by the left side of our screen. Now, how really do we perform this conversion of mixed fraction? There are steps we need to take, and I'm going to drop down these steps in this video now. So when you have a mixed fraction, for you to convert it to either a proper fraction or an improper fraction, the first step you do is you use the whole number to multiply the denominator. Now in this very example here, 2 is the whole number and 5 is the whole number, denominator. Now you use 2 to multiply 5. That's the first step. Then you add the numerator to the answer. So whatever you have, after multiplying 2 by 5, you add it to the numerator, and this gives you your numerator. The denominator remains the same. Hopefully it is clear. We'll use example to solve it. So in general, what we are trying to say is this: use the whole number to multiply the denominator and add the numerator to it all over the denominator. This gives you the converted mixed fraction. So let's solve it. Example 1 there. So example 1 there says 2 whole number 3 all over 5. So if we follow the steps given there, 2 is the whole number, right? So we'll come with 2, multiply the denominator. What's the denominator? It is 5. So multiply it by 5, and we add the numerator plus 3, which is the numerator, all over the denominator. The denominator is what? Is 5. So this is simple arithmetic. So 2 times 5 is 10. So we have 10 plus 3 all over 5. So this gives us 13 all over 5. Very straightforward, very simple. That is the answer to example 1. So let's take example 2 solution. So example 2, there we have 1 whole number 7 all over 3. Now the aim again is to convert it to either a proper fraction or an improper fraction. So the first step again is use 1, which is the whole number, to multiply the denominator, which is 3. Then you add the numerator, which is 7 all over the denominator. So 1 times 3 gives us 3 plus 7 all over 3. So at the end we have 10 all over 3. So that's the final answer for example 2. Now we'll move to example 3. Example 3 says 3 whole number 4 all over 3. So we go the same way. So it's going to be 3, which is the whole number, times the denominator, which is 3. Then we add what? The numerator, which is 4, all over what? The denominator. So if we multiply 3 by 3, we are going to have 9. Now I'm adding 4 to it, all over what? 3. So 9 plus 4 is going to give us 13, all over what? 3. Straightforward. That's the what? Answer to example number 3. So let's take our final example solution there, which is example 4, which is 4 whole number 1 all over what? 7. Again, we go the same method. It's going to be 4, which is the whole number, times 7, which is the denominator. Then we add 1, which is what? The numerator to it, all over what? The denominator. Now what we arrive at there will be 4 times 7 is going to give us 28, plus 1 all over what? 7. So what do we have there? We have 29 all over 7. So that's the final answer to our example 4. So don't forget to hit the like button if you find this video resourceful. Please subscribe to our channel. That way when we drop new videos you will be notified. There are other resources as well, like how to find the LCM of numbers, the proper and improper fractions example. We have BODMAS topic, which we have covered in great details. So subscribe to the channel and enjoy the resources you have there. Thank you.